Okay, finally we have a sneaker unboxing for the first time I feel like in a very, very long time. We've been doing a lot of sneaker mystery boxes, but I haven't been doing like actual sneaker unboxings. I feel like since the quarantine and stuff started, I've just been slowing down on buying sneakers because it's not like we're going out or doing anything, so there's no point in like wearing sneakers or buying sneakers, at least in my opinion. So now that we're finally starting to like ease up from lockdowns and stuff, I decided to pick up a bunch of pairs over here. And what's kind of insane is that these 3 sneakers actually cost me, I think, $3,000 altogether, so it's a very, very expensive unboxing. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing, guys. 3 sneakers. We'll start off with this one over here, and I believe that this one is from Net Magnetism. This one is in a size 8 though, and it's not actually my size. I picked this one up because it was a really good price. This one is a pair of Jordan 1 gold toes. Check it out up close, guys. This is actually a very underrated pair of Jordan 1s in my opinion. It does have an all patent leather upper, but that colorway is just really, really one of a kind. That gold and black over the shoe make for a very nice appearance, and I think the patent leather actually creates a nice sheen on it as well, so it makes it look very, very cool. This one is in dead stock condition, and I did pick this one up for I think about $500 or so, which is a really good price for size 8 Jordan 1s actually. And the reason why I was able to pick this one up for such a good price is because if you guys haven't heard of Net Magnetism before, they're basically a sneaker shop up in Canada, and they do like these sneaker raffle things. I didn't actually win this pair from a sneaker raffle. They do this thing where basically if you don't win, you can get like this email where they'll give you like a limited time sale. So that's where I picked this one up. It's very hard to cop these as well. You have to be really fast with your trigger fingers. So yeah, I was lucky to get this one, but good price. I'll probably put this up for a channel members drop in the future. Next sneaker up is over here. I believe that this one is from Godap. And for once, it's a personal pair for myself that is not actually a Jordan 1. Believe it or not, this is not. It is a size 10.5 though, and it is a Nike Dunk Low, and a shoe that I've been dying to see in person, guys. Because over here, we have a pair of the Nike Dunk Low Brazil colorway, or the maize yellow, whatever you guys want to call it, dude. This thing is freaking fire though. This is the first time I've seen it in person, man, and I am really, really impressed with this colorway. That's actually why I wore this yellow shirt, if you guys couldn't tell. It's a matching color, man. Yellow, one of my favorite colors, so had to cop this one. Check it out up close, guys. I mean, it is a standard pair of Nike Dunk Lows, but the leather on this is surprisingly really, really solid, guys. I like this a lot. And the colorway is something that's a little bit crazy, but for me, since I'm a Green Bay Packers fan, guys, this is like the perfect shoe for myself, because Green Bay Packers, if you guys didn't know, their colors are green and yellow. So I mean, green and yellow, it makes perfect sense, right? I might have to actually double up on this pair now that I'm looking at it in person, guys. This thing is really, really clean. I like this a lot. Nike Dunk Lows have been coming back in full force, and I copped this one like super early for resale, because if you guys didn't know, a lot of the Nike Dunk Lows that have been dropping have been like going up in resale value very, very fast. I believe that the Kentuckys and the Syracuse are almost touching like $400 now, and they retail for $100. So they are shooting up at an insane rate, probably because people get these mixed up with Nike SBs. These aren't SBs, they're Nike Dunk Lows. There's a difference, but yeah, I would assume that that's why these are flying as well, just because people get those confused all the time. And guys, we have actually reached the final shoe of the unboxing for today, and this is the one I'm most excited about. This shoe by itself is almost $2,000, which is incredible amount of money to spend on a sneaker, and making it one of the most expensive sneakers I've ever bought ever. I really don't like paying resale for shoes, but this one I had to do it, man, because the hype was just so real, and honestly, before the hype got crazy, it was something that I thought was really cool. Let's see what we got. Oh man, you guys don't even know. I'm so excited to see this in person. Even the box, this is the first time I've seen this box in person too. Oh, this is so sick. So we got this like crazy rainbow Nike SB box over here, but this one is a size 10 Nike SB Dunk Low. Again, not to get confused with the Nike Dunk Low. This is an SB Dunk Low. And yeah, let's see which one we've got, man. This is always the best part of opening sneakers. Oh man, oh man. These are beautiful. Holy F. This is... Wow, this is really, really clean, dude. I'm super excited. Now I have no buyer's remorse at all for this thing, guys. If you guys did not know, this is the Nike SB Dunk Low Chunky Dunkies. Maybe sneaker of the year this year, guys. It's definitely probably my sneaker of the year, just in terms of like complexity of color, and just really all the hype behind it is like so insane that I don't see any other shoe toppling this at this point. This thing is sick. This thing is sick. You guys got to check it out up close. It is all about those details, and the Chunky Dunky does not disappoint. If you guys didn't know, this is a Ben & Jerry's exclusive collaboration. So you can see over here on the inside tongue, Ben & Jerry's. If it's not fun, why do it? So that's on the tongue over here. Also, you guys can see over here on the top of the tongue, it does say Nike SB Chunky Dunky, and the shoe itself is based off of like that ice cream container that Ben & Jerry's does have. So it does have a lot of unique things over here. It has that cow print running throughout the shoe, and just a really, really intense all-around good looking shoe, man. Like the quality and the different colors that they use on this thing are just really insane, and those details, I mean, even just down to these like little stitched in clouds and stuff on the back are just really to die for, guys. Like it looks so darn clean. I even like that they have the Nike over here like stitched in too. This looks really clean in that yellow. Just an all-around really, really unique shoe, man. And I mean, for good reason. It's definitely like a collaboration that you can tell that Ben & Jerry's tried hard on this sneaker. I mean, it paid off, guys. If you guys didn't know, this hype was insane for this shoe. Like it just kept going up and up in resale value, and it completely exceeded my expectations for how much it would cost. I did have to pay a lot for this. I believe I paid like $1,600. I think it's still going up to this day too. Like it's probably going to touch $2,000 within the next 2 weeks or so, and it's not going to stop, guys. Like this is one that if you guys don't have it now, it will definitely be at the level of like What the Dunks in the future. Like no joke, you guys can quote me on this. I do think that these will be at that insane level like 5 years down the road of like the What the Dunks, where people want it and it's going to be so darn expensive that you're not going to be able to buy it. Even at $2,000, I mean, it's already very pricey, but I had to do it because I knew that it's just going to keep going up in resale, and thankfully I bought it early because it's still rising all the time. It does come with extra laces over here too, which I just saw. It does have a green set of laces and also a yellow set of laces. This would actually work, I think, better on the Nike Dunk Low that we just saw. I do actually like the white laces for contrast and color on this shoe. Matches with those clouds in the back, that's why. Pretty much like the most perfect drop you can get in 2020 and a must cop in my book. So this is one that you guys will see on feet very, very soon. I don't mind paying resale for a sneaker like this, guys. Good investment in my opinion. And one last thing before we end this video, I do want to mention this, that I actually sent out a tweet recently talking about doing like a donation thing or like a donation raffle for a hype pair of sneakers. And what I wanted to do with that is make it like a $5 raffle for you guys to enter. So you guys would enter for $5 and have a chance to get a hype sneaker. And I think after seeing this one in person, this would be like the perfect pair to do for like that $5 raffle. And the best thing about that raffle is that I'm not doing it for profit. Like I don't want to make any money on that shoe. What I wanted to do is use all of the profits from that raffle to actually donate to like a Black Lives Matter campaign. I think it's very, very important to use like platforms like this, like YouTube or social media in general, just to kind of like do your part. And I just feel like this is like the perfect way to do it, man. Like it's a raffle that's affordable for a lot of people, and for $5 you might actually end up winning a shoe that costs like $2 grand. And even more important than that, we just take all of those profits and just give it back to the Black Lives Matter campaign, and that's just really like a win-win for everybody. So I do think that I'm probably going to hold that very, very soon. I've been trying to work with like sneaker shops to actually get this off the ground, but because of like the quarantine and stuff, it's been very hard to coordinate that. But I promise you guys, if this video does get to 5,000 likes, we will make that happen. I will make sure personally that we make that happen for you guys, because I just think it's a win all around, and I really want to give back to the community. And I think that it's a good way for all of you guys who don't know how to like make an impact on the Black Lives Matter campaign to like just do a little thing by donating $5 and actually having a chance to win something at the same time. So that's what my thinking is. And again, drop a like on this video if you guys want to see that happen. I'm thinking that I might collaborate with Direct Kicks for this one. I'm not sure yet, but again, if it gets to 5,000 likes, I promise we will make it happen. Anyway, guys, that is it for this sneaker unboxing. That's all I had to say about that. I really enjoy all of these unboxings with you guys. It's really fun to like open up these sneakers with you and just show you guys my reactions on these different shoes. And I hope you guys enjoy the content of these videos as well. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha, shoot!